So today's video is regarding HP DeskJet 3630 series printer. So I'm going to show you how to do the setup of your printer using MacBook. The first step is to switch on the printer. So press the power button. Also load A4 size sheets at the rear paper tray and open the paper output tray. Go to the display panel of your printer. Now we need to enter this printer into the setup mode. For that we need to press and hold the cancel button and the wireless button for 5 seconds until the power button starts to flash, white light to flash and stop, and then the wireless light will start to flash. That means your printer has entered into the setup mode. Go to your MacBook and open the HP Smart app. You can download this app from the App Store. And on the right hand side corner on the top you will see the plus button in the screen, so click on that as we are going to do the setup. So we have to add the printer here. On the next screen we see HP DeskJet 3630 series setup and click on that. Click on the continue button. You can give you access for the automatically to enter the password, so click on continue. In case you don't click on the automatic, then it will ask you to enter the password. Then you can enter the password of your Wi-Fi network. So here we can see that the printer is connected to the Wi-Fi network. Now click on the continue button. Now you can connect to the HP account, so you can sign in there, click on continue, or if you want you can skip warranty and account activation. So in the end we will see the final confirmation, as you can see on the main screen of your HP Smart app in your MacBook, like HP DeskJet 3630 series printer is available, and click on the scan button and place a page on the top scanner facing downwards. Click on the scan button and we'll see if it is working. So here we can see we have scanned it. We have scanned a page, as you can see that is the welcome page. So this way we can easily connect our printer and then we can just use it for the wireless printing and scanning. And once you click on the printer you will see all the details regarding your printer here. As you can see the printer status, printer information, its network information, advanced settings, printer reports where you can print different kind of reports regarding it. So this way we can connect our printer to the Wi-Fi network of home and office, and then we can do wireless scanning and printing. Thanks for watching.